Have you ever wished there was a simpler way to send and receive money, especially when dealing with international transactions? Well, today we're going to dive into a platform that can make your financial life a whole lot easier, OnPay. OnPay is a global payment platform that offers a variety of services, including international money transfers. Send money to almost anywhere in the world, quickly and securely. Currency exchange. Convert between different currencies at competitive rates. Business payments. Manage your business finances efficiently with features like invoicing and mass payments. Personal finance tools. Track your spending, set budgets, and save money. So, if you're ready to simplify your financial life, let's get started on setting up your OnPay account. Step-by-step guide. Creating an account. Visit the OnPay website. Go to OnPay website URL. Click on Sign Up. Look for the Sign Up button and click it. Provide your details. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from OnPay and click the link to confirm your account. Setting up your profile. Complete your profile. Once you've verified your email, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. This may include providing your address, phone number, and other personal information. Add a payment method. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or credit card, and provide the necessary details. Adding beneficiaries. Navigate to the Beneficiaries section. Look for the Beneficiaries tab or option in your account. Add a beneficiary. Click on Add Beneficiary and enter the required information about the person or business you want to send money to. This may include their name, address, bank account details, and currency. Making a payment. Select the Send Money option. Find the Send Money feature in your account. Choose a beneficiary. Select the beneficiary you want to send money to. Enter the amount. Specify the amount you want to send. Confirm the payment. Review the details of your transaction and confirm the payment. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize security when using OnPay. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. And be cautious of phishing attempts. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with using OnPay, such as transaction fees or currency conversion fees. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact OnPay's customer support. Setting up an OnPay account is a straightforward process that can greatly simplify your financial life. With its ability to handle international money transfers, currency exchange, and business payments, OnPay is a valuable tool for both individuals and businesses. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for OnPay today and start experiencing the benefits of a more efficient and convenient way to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.